In this week's video tech tip, let's talk about something that you hopefully never have to use, but it's a good thing to know that it's there. It's previous selection. Now, this was added to the toolset in SOLIDWORKS 2015 when the selection context toolbar was added. This is that toolbar that appears when you right-click an empty space in the graphics area, and you get all sorts of options for selection, including box selection, lasso selection, your filters, select other, and even magnified selection. But for this week's video tech tip, we're going to focus on previous selection. So, previous selection is a tool. For example, here I am selecting all these little faces here, and say I accidentally misclick or got distracted, and I lost my selection as I was manipulating the geometry. If I wanted to get back into that selection, say for example I worked very hard to get that selection, I could just right-click and I get right back into the previously selected items using that previous selection option. Again, this was added in 2015, and it makes it very easy for you to go back and select exactly what you had just selected. Again, like I said, hopefully you never have to use it, but it's a good thing to know that it's there for that time you need it.